Hello all. Peace. It's Loner420. Start of another week. Yeah, I'm at home again. Doing my my oil dab today. So yeah, I'd like to wish everybody a happy 420. Quiet day today. Just about to go out with the dog, do my afternoon walk. Again, Monday afternoon, 4:20 time, blah day. Hoping everybody else is having a better day. All right, peace all.